In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Nintendo Switch eShop gift card. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Redeeming a Nintendo Switch eShop gift card is an extremely simple process that must be done within the eShop itself. So on your Nintendo Switch console, regardless of the model, just open the eShop and you will be able to find the option to redeem the code. So when you open the eShop, if you look at the left side, you will find plenty of options on the menu, with one of those being enter code. Usually it is going to be the last one. So if you choose the option on the bottom left corner of your screen, enter code, you will get instructions on how to properly redeem the Nintendo Switch gift card. All that you have to do is make sure that you input the entire code in there, following the instructions and the guidelines. As soon as you enter the code, if it is valid and legitimate and it was properly activated in the counter where you purchased it, you will receive the funds. So you will see a summary of this order with the amount of funds that will be added into your account. With this process done, you will now be able to purchase anything available on the eShop. You will see the amount of funds that you have when you proceed to checkout, and if needed, you will be able to top up with more. You will be able to cover any purchases that you make, and of course, there are plenty of gift cards available. You have cheaper ones like $10, $20, all the way up to something like 100 or 200. So just purchase the exact Switch eShop gift card that you want, redeem the funds, and you will be able to purchase all sorts of things available on the Nintendo Switch eShop. The only requirement is that you are signed into a Nintendo account, and immediately upon opening the eShop, you will be able to find the enter code option at the bottom left. If the code is not working or it was already used, the best course of action is to double check, make sure that it was properly activated, and as long as you purchased the code and it was activated on the counter, it should work. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Nintendo Switch eShop gift card. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.